Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage, how you can set up ransomware protection on Windows 11. So nowadays virus keep advanced, like malware, adware, ransomware keep advanced. You need protection from that threat on your PC, of course. So in order to manage to set up protection, you can go to the Windows security by click on system tray. Here there is a shield icon. This is the Windows security. Double click on virus threat protection option here and scroll down, and this is the ransomware protection. Set up OneDrive for file recovery option in case of ransomware attack. So you need to set up OneDrive first. You need to log in or sign in into your Microsoft account in order to back up your file, synchronize your file into the OneDrive cloud storage. And after that, you can manage ransomware protection. Here you can turn on control folder access, protect files, folder and memory areas on your device from unauthorized change by unfriendly application. There is a block history, protected folders, and allow an app to control folder access. Here, ransomware data recovery. You may be able to recover files in this account in case of there's a ransomware attack. So it's very important to back up your files. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.